BQ Bohol, for this week po, meron lang kaming isa na inquiry sa Viber. Ito po ay nasa advertising or advertisement. So, ang inquiry po ni ma'am is 485 pieces na dry fit long sleeve and 90 pieces na short sleeve po. So, approve po yung budget na 200 pesos. Ang total amount po nito is nasa 111,000. And then, kanina po, gladly, pumunta si ma'am. Pinaalam niya sa akin na approve na sa main office nila. And then, tinanong niya din kanina kung ano yung mode of payment. So, nasa 80% na po kami ng renaming. And then, may 6 po kami na group na nagawa. Ito ay first, construction. Second, hotel. Third is yung government. Fourth is yung food. Fifth is yung energy. And last one, energy. Last one is yung school. So, yun na po. Thank you.